virtualizationsoftware.com, and I'm here at VMworld 2013 with Irfan, who is the founder of Cloud Physics. How you doing, Irfan?
I'm doing really well. The show's been working out great for us.
Awesome, awesome. So tell me what's new with Cloud Physics.
Well, first of all, Cloud Physics is an operations management solution. We have a unique approach to the operations management set of problems. We use collective intelligence to help IT operators solve their daily pain points. And the pain points range anywhere from purchasing decisions, planning for how to set up clusters and so forth, to all the way over to reporting, to keeping track of your environment, getting alerts, alarms, emails when things are going not quite right. We have storage management solutions. We also have solutions in the area of cluster management, host management, virtual machines, and so on and so forth.
So I know that Cloud Physics has a number of new features that are on display here at VMworld. Tell me about, I know Cloud Builder is one, and what else is new?
Yeah, we're actually really excited, and our customers who have been coming by have been really excited about these new features. And so I'll mention a few of them really quickly. So first of all, we have the Card Builder. And the Card Builder is really exciting because it opens up the ability for customers and end users to go ahead and build their own cards. As you know, David, on our system, the apps that we build and our customer builds are called cards. And each card, just like on your smartphone, right, is solving one specific problem area. So that way we can build the best possible solution, the best of breed way of solving that one problem and not be stuck to some overall user experience paradigm or just some other way. So what that allows us to do is be very, very flexible in the design of each card. Now with the Card Builder, the same capability goes and it becomes available to customers. So that's one thing that's on display, and people have been enjoying building all kinds of fabulous cards, things that, you know, frankly, Cloud Physics didn't even think about. Related to that, we also are bringing Card Store to the market. And again, just like your iPhone or your Android phone where you have apps that are available from the app stores, the Card Store is the place where that interaction happens. So our customers can go in, immediately when they sign in, they can go to the Card Store, and before even necessarily building any of their own cards, they can just look around to see if the problems that they're trying to solve are already solved by other people on the Card Store. And the adoption of that has been just phenomenal. David, you're not going to believe this, but we have 170 cards that people have built on this platform and published them to the Card Store in the last 2 weeks. So it's really taking up. And now again, the use cases that our customers experience as daily pain go from storage to networking, to clusters, to hosts, and all these things that I mentioned earlier. In some areas, we didn't even have a lot of cards, and the community has really produced some ace cards. So for example, in the area of security, community members like William have been going in and William Lamb have been going in and adding them. Alan Renouf has added some content. We have Marco Veragnolo over in Italy, to Adam Savage, who works for Monster.com. So around the world, people have been just taking the platform and just making it their own. So that's been a really big thing for us. Now, just related to that is we've put the service into GA, so we're out of beta, which is really exciting. And a part of that is a completely new pricing plan and packaging that we've been having great adoption of customers from.
Excellent, excellent. So tell me a little bit about how does the pricing work? Is there a free trial period, or how does that work?
There is a free trial period for all the applications on the site.
Okay.
But more exciting than that, your account is a completely free account. Because all of the content that the community members are creating, that's community ownership of that. We don't charge for that. So as soon as you sign in, you get a completely free account. One of those 170 cards that I told you about are available to you for free forever. Okay? So again, immediately upon signing up, you get solutions to problems, and in some cases, you get answers to questions you didn't even know to ask. We have customers who oftentimes, the most exciting part of the day is when somebody tweets that as soon as it's signed in to Cloud Physics, they figured out a way to save money or figured out a way to reduce their risk in a way that they just weren't aware of before, right? So that's a unique approach we have, which is you're not just always looking around to find problems, right? We're going to bring solutions to you. We're going to bring answers to you.
Excellent, excellent. So how does someone get started with Cloud Physics?
I always joke, David, even we talked about this before, that Cloud Physics has made signing up for this free account easier than Twitter. We ask you fewer questions to create your enterprise operations management account than your social media account, right? All you need is your email address, and that's it. You download a virtual appliance within 5 minutes, and plenty of customers can accomplish this in less than 5 minutes. Your data center is connected to us. And from that moment on, you get those answers that we keep talking about, the problems that you haven't even thought about asking questions for.
Very cool, very cool. So with all the changes here at VMworld related to storage and private cloud and public cloud, what do you see as the future for Cloud Physics?
I think, this is very new. The idea that the management solution doesn't need to be managed is a very new idea. So today, operations management is this thing where you have PSO engagements to come in and install something, right? It takes days, if not weeks, to get your operations management solution up and going. We have customers that set us up in 5 minutes, but it took them 2 months to get other solutions set up. And by the way, those solutions, they had to dedicate machine equipment to, and they had to install databases, and they had to install security patches, and all these sorts of things. Cloud Physics, none of that happens. There is no database. There is no installation. There is no software to maintain, patch, keep up to date, and so on and so forth. We take care of everything, right? So gone are the days where you had to have a system administrator responsible for managing the operations management solution that his team is going to use to manage operations. It's really ironic when you needed to do that. And so this is very, very quick adoption we're seeing from customers based on this. Where we're taking this is adding more and more value in more and more areas. See, their system administrators today have a lot of jobs that they need to do. If you have a job that you need to do, there's a card for that.
Very cool, very cool. Well, thanks for your time, Irfan.
Most welcome. Thank you.